Hey everyone, look what I just received today. Fresh in a box from Team Associated. I reserved this, I think it was May 22nd or 25th, and this is the end of June, so it took about a good full month for it to arrive. And my RC10 CC is feeling pretty lonely, so I got this one for the 40th anniversary. I haven't built any of these yet. Time constraints, and then the 10T came out, and we're here to unbox it today. So let's unbox it. I bought 2 of these kits because the limit was 2 per person per order. I guess you can order however many you want in pairs. That's if you have the funds. I don't. I can only afford 2. So I guess 1 to build and 1 as a spare part. Look at that. Yeah, from the first one, the box looks pretty decent. Almost the same print as the RC10 40th. I mean, I think the original, I don't have an original box, but they're more clearer than this. I'm gonna take both of them out. At least the box art came in great shape. I'm not gonna lie. Let's get this. And we're gonna unbox one of these. Let's see what's in there. Awesome. Okay, let's unbox this. I mean, the price of these were $379 in tax, so it's about 400 some out the door. California tax, about 10%. I think about inflation, I think these were originally, if I remember correctly, this is supposed to be the standard one that came with the gold shocks back in 91. And I think it came, I'm not sure if it came with ball bearings, I don't remember. But I had one when I was a kid. And I'm just trying to build another one so I can revive my youth. Memory lane. Down memory lane. Look at this. All right, let's start from the body. Body is pretty thin. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty thin compared to the buggy body. But this is the real RC10T body, not the reissue of the RC10T. I think they had the team truck, or I'm not sure what it was. It was a little different. You can tell from the roll bar ends over here by the bed, and the half of the bed. The other one that came, I don't know which one was it. It was J Concepts or somebody that made it. They had this one that it just didn't look right. It was from another RC10T, and that one also had that window that was not, the original mold was messed up. It was messed up over here. So this is the real legit RC10T body. All right, let's just go random because none of this stuff is scripted, okay? We have G. I think this is the stealth transmission. Cool. I mean, this is pretty much the same as the World's car, the re-release back then in what, 2010 or 2011? I don't remember. Except, of course, no ball bearings, which is sad. All right. Battery cup, same as in every other RC10 re-release. All right, look at this. G, body mounts. These are new. I mean, apart from all the re-releases that Team Associated came out with. It's pretty cool. All right, look at these. White complete wishbones, A-arms. And again, I think the bulkheads are the same as the buggy. Dog bones, shafts, suspension shafts, everything is the same. Except, again, no ball bearings, of course. This thing is all bronze bushings. I don't know, a servo saver. Same as the buggy. Shock tools and Allen key. Front suspension with nose plate. I think the arms are actually different tone than the rear arms, which is weird. Look at that. It's totally different mold. I mean, look at that. It should be white. You see the difference? That's not good. I mean, they should do something that's at least matching. That's a major disappointment right here. It does match the steering knuckles. Team Associated, come on. All right, gold shocks. I think these are pretty much similar to the buggy. The length might be a little more different, a little longer probably. These pipes are all white, cool. Turnbuckles, adjustable turnbuckles. As a RC10, you're comparing the RC10T versus the 40th anniversary. This is probably a better buy. They're the same price. You know, this one is a limited edition with all that stamping number or whatever, but I think you get a lot more car or truck rather in this case for the money. They're exactly the same price. So if you only have one to pick, I would pick the truck, no doubt. All right, these are brand new ones. Look at this. Original tires, nice and soft. Okay, at least they didn't disappoint on the wheels, the 3-piece wheels. I love these wheels and tires because you never have to use you don't have to use those CA, the gluing. You don't have to glue these tires and wheels anymore. I mean, these are 3-piece wheels, I think. They're beadlock wheels. They come on clean, come off clean. Replacing is really simple. It's a good job. I think these tires from the pictures I looked at them, they're a little more pudgier. They're thicker than the regular, the original RC10T. They're not as low profile and they're just a little wider and meatier. So that actually, you can tell that it's a re-release. It's a steering. This is all new for a truck. Same as the original one, of course. Cool. And last but not least, we have the chassis. Look at that. Cool. They actually do have a stamp here, but no numbers, because this is not supposed to be limited edition. And there's no 40th here. I think this is a little different than the gold one because it's not as glossy and shiny. Nice etching of the RC10T. Feels pretty sturdy, so not too bad. Good job there. And original bumper, white bumper. That's cool. Nice. Spur gear for the stealth transmission. I think this is a, I don't know what tooth this is. Can't tell. 78 or 87, I don't remember. All right, and then we have the awesome fluorescent decal sheet. That's pretty cool. They included that. Masking. And the full decal sheet itself, the original decal sheet, comes with 2 different styles of tail lights and the grille. I think the grille, yeah, there's 2 different types. That's pretty cool. Masking, what else? Actually, this one does come with a manual. Look at that. A physical manual. You don't have to download it. That's it. And I'm glad I actually ordered this. Major disappointment is the suspension arm once again. Look at this. I mean, you can tell. Look at that difference. It's totally different. Though different material, I don't know what it is. I'm not an injection molded expert, so somebody can probably tell me, like, how could it be that much different? It doesn't even match the car. You know, that's ridiculous. I've read somewhere that they said the C hubs or the steering knuckles was supposed to be this color, but not the arm itself. This is supposed to be white like this. That's a big letdown. I'm probably write to Team Associate and see what they can do, or if other people actually have these, because I really think that's unacceptable. Other than this, I think everything is great. And now I have a total of, my whole collection is here. Okay, first was this guy. What is this kit? This is a 6004. And this is a 6007. And this is a 7002. Oh, the box is a little bigger, I guess, from the truck body. Yeah, guys, I'm going to start building this. I probably built this before this and this, because I really do like the 10T. I'm a truck guy, not a buggy guy as much. That's it. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy building, everybody. Take care.